and Assalamu alaikum dear Falconians. Welcome to Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. This is video of algebraic expression from mathematics presented by Miss Sarwat Majid. Dear students, I am going to explain you what is mathematics. Do you know? Mathematics is a science, the science or art that deals with numbers, quantities, shapes, patterns, and measurements. My dear Falconians, do you know? Without mathematics, we can't do anything in this world. Why? Because everything around you is mathematics, everything around you is numbers. When you say Allah is 1, so 1 is a number. And it comes from mathematics. It means math is in nature. As you all know, mathematics have many branches. Look at the screen. Some branches are here: arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, analysis, statistics. Here we are going to do one of the most important branch of mathematics, that is algebra. Do you know what is algebra? My dear students, algebra basically is the part of mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to numbers represent and quantities, formulas and equations. Algebra deals with standard exponential, formulas, inequalities, operations, mathematics operations, trinomial, binomial, monomial, polynomial, algebraic expressions, quadratic equations, etc. My dear Falconians, in algebra we use different terminologies. This is the time to make you familiar with the terms which we use in algebra. Here is the list of terms used in algebra. Number 1, variable. Number 2, constant. Number 3, coefficient. Number 4, base. Number 5, exponents. Number 6, terms. Number 7, equations. Number 8, algebraic expressions. Terms is further divided into two types: like terms and unlike terms. I am going to explain you all terms one by one. Variable. Do you know, students, do you know what is variable? A variable is also called an unknown and can be represented by letters from the alphabets, and you represent in small letters like A, B, X, Y, Z, etc. Now the second term is constant. Dear students, what is constant? Constant means a number without any variable is called constant. For example, 2, 3, 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, numbers either in whole number or the fraction or decimal. Next one is coefficient. Coefficient means a number before the variable. For example, 2a. So 2 is a coefficient. 7b. 7 is a coefficient. 5x. 5 is a coefficient of x. 15 is a coefficient of y. 2 is a coefficient of A. 7 is a coefficient of B. Next term is base. What is base? Do you know? The number that gets when using an exponent. For example, 2a 3. So 2 is the base, or 2 is the base. Okay. And then the next term is exponent. What is exponent? An exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. For example, 2a cube. 3 is exponent. It means a multiplied 3 times. Next terminology we use in algebra is terms. Terms means, what is terms? An expression consists of one or more terms that are separated by an addition or subtraction operation. For example, 2a, 3b, 7, 5 upon x, 9x upon 10y. So it means that the terms are separated by operations. Next is equations. What is equation? Equation means consists of expression separated by an equal sign. Now you have now look at the screen. 3 plus 5 is in left side and 8 is right side. So between both you have a equal sign. So it means it is called equation. 27 plus x is equal to 17 upon 3x. The most familiar or most popular term used in algebra is algebraic expressions. Do you know, students, do you know what is an algebraic expression? An expression is any group or collection of algebraic numbers and variables, including mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. My dear Falconians, do you know that without algebraic expression, we unable to solve questions in algebra, right? Then examples are 3 plus 5, 2a plus 3x, 5bc. So these all are called algebraic expression. Here is the table on your screen, and this table help you to understand terms that are used for the four operation of mathematics in algebraic expression: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the four operations of mathematics, and it is the source of maths. Okay, in addition we use term in algebra. For addition we use term in algebra: add, more, in screen, increase, plus, say, sum. Add, more, increase, plus, sum. The subtraction: subtract, less, decrease, minus, difference. For multiplication: multiply, product, times, twice, thrice. Division: divide, quotient, dividend, remainder, divisor. My dear Falconians, now it's time to do some practice of algebraic expression. Here some examples of algebraic expression are given. Now you have seen number 1 statement: add 5y to the product of a and b. Now 5y, first of all use the 5y. You write down the 5y. With 5y is written, add is written. So 5y, then you write down the plus sign. Now the product. In the previous slide I explained you product means multiplication. Product of a and b means a multiply with b. So you write the a multiply by b. You write both variables together. It means a multiply b. We can't write multiplication sign. Just you write two variables together. It means a multiply with b. So what is the expression? What is the algebraic expression we will write? Add 5y to the product of a and b. 5y plus ab. Now number 2 is given subtract 4 times the positive square root of z from thrice of x. From comes in center, so it means thrice of x comes in expression, in algebraic expression, thrice of x come in first and subtract 4 times the positive square root of z after the thrice of x. Okay. So first, what is mean by thrice? Thrice means three times. 3 times multiply 3 times x. Thrice of x means 3 times x. So we write 3 times x. How we write? 3 and we write x. So it means thrice means that 3 times. So times means multiplication. So 3 multiply with x. Now from then subtract means minus. So we write the minus here. After that we write the 4 times the positive square root of z. That the 4 times the positive square root of z is written here. That in the positive square root and then z you have written inside the square root sign. So what is the whole expression? 3x minus 4z. Number third, twice the variable of p. Twice means 2 times of p. So 2 times of p, so you write 2p. And product of 5 and q again means that product means multiplication, time twice means also multiplication, times means multiplication, product means also multiplication. So 5q we write together, that the variable and the constant we write together. So it means 2 is a coefficient of p. So 2 and what is the hidden sign between them is multiplication. So both 2p and 5q, between 2p and 5q, which operation between them? Divided. So you write in upon, or you write in 2p divided sign by 5q, or you write 2p upon 5q, both are same. Students, hope you all have understood algebraic expression and you like my video. Follow my instructions and stay home, stay safe, enjoy at home. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Have a nice day, beta.